I know.
I like the color.
With the white rims. Yeah, maybe that one next, baby. Oh yeah. Ooh, GT2RS. Oh my goodness. We know this guy. Just be careful going around that car. Hey, Captain Bob. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing, guys? How you doing? I'll catch you in a second. I gotta. Yeah, I know. I gotta look.
I did that yesterday at home.
Look at that. Oh yeah, there it is. There she is.
Not for long, brother. We're gonna take more.
Is he good? You gonna get in front of him? Wow, look at those exhaust tips. They're huge. How you doing? No, you're fine. But I like it. I like it in this light that comes down. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Oh, this combo, the color silver with the silver bar. Oh, and then you got the headlight. Oh yeah. Right, Trey? Oh yeah. With a Kermit right above it. Oh yeah, that's great. Yeah, that color. That's a very German car. Yeah, color. Yeah, the 90s. Look at this boy with the BBSs. Oh yeah. It's a race car.
What's wrong with this car?
What do you mean?
Where is the seat?
It's a race car. You take everything out that you don't need. Make it as light as possible. I mean, look at the mirrors.
Oh my god.
Carbon fiber mirrors. They got rid of the sunroof. So if you drive it, you would. If you drove it, you wouldn't feel it was ugly. Look at this guy. I just saw those rims. The matte black Ferrari.
I thought it's supposed to be only Porsche.
Yeah, but
Oh,
then you
we
got.
saw this car in Midtown. Remember when?
Yeah. Look at this. But let me just look. Oh.
We meet again, huh?
Yeah. Oh, similar interest.
Interesting, right?
Oh yeah, that's a that's a bit of machine right there.
3.2, bro.
Now that's what they're going 3.2.
That's what, this one is 3.2 and some change. I mean, it's 3.25. But right now, I mean, if you enter to H grade, they're selling one for 4 million. I mean, 4 mil. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you can ask whatever you want. They are not right there to purchase. You know.
Whoa.
First of all, you need to find who's selling it.
Yeah. Gold rims, flat gold. Those rims, oh, 720, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Great, it looks great.
Oof. The lineup just keeps going. Oh yeah, I would get one of these all day. Oh yeah. Look at this thing. What a car show. What a car showing. Aston. My favorite Lambo. Gallardo. Oh. It's too much.
Yeah.
It's just too much. It's just too much. Yeah, it's too much to handle, man. Oh.
Now, if you drive with one of them, you shit.
Yeah, man. Oh, look, color on this Taycan. Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. Oof. Oh man, taking y'all on a walk. And we don't need the cuts. No cuts needed. Look at that color. Oof. We're moving. We're swiping. Oh yeah, just a red. That's a beautiful C2 convertible. 993. Man, she looks good. I don't think I've seen this in the group before. Ah, the T, Carrera T. There's my man again. Ooh. Love the red seats, red interior, and the black on top. Proper. Who cannot love a 4C? Even at a Porsche event. A 4C is still, look. Wide. Paint. Wrap on this. Unfortunately, it rained, so some of these cars aren't the cleanest. Something smells a little bit like coolant. Here we go. I can't. There are a lot of these in Miami. Turbo. Now let's talk about this brave soul right here in the GTS with the top down, Florida sun, brown interior, black top. I mean white backs to match. He just got here. Fans still running. Love it. Look at the brown on brown. Look at that combo. That's a serious combo. Ooh. Ooh. Is this you, Les? Is this you, Les? Yes, it is. Best boxer in town, bro. Look at that. Look at that red to match the exterior on the interior, if you can see it. Look at that badge. Love it, Stuttgart. Love everything from Stuttgart. Car is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful boxer. Sit next to the Ferrari. 488, I think. I keep forgetting. I got to get up on my Ferraris again. I haven't been paying as much attention. Love the white Ferrari. Love it. I believe it's the 488. Yeah, that's the 488. Still, so much to cover. So much to look at and see. We're 4 minutes in, and we're still going. Oh, yeah. The new McLaren GT. Love it. I love it, especially in white. But this color, I love it. Look at the top, clear. It looks so nice. It just looks like a vibe. Yeah. Oh yeah. Red on red. Spider. We know who this is. We know who this is. Lambo here. Pause. Just for a second. Oh, keep going past her. There we go. Turbo S. Oh yeah. Look at that tire. Look how much there. Oh, on the Toyos. Look how wide he is sitting out there. Oh, look at that shifter. You know I love this green. You know I love this green. Simple, clean, elegant. Purple is amazing. Look at this. Yes, sir. It's appropriate. It's so appropriate. Oh, she's so gorgeous. Let's keep moving backwards. Look at this yellow with the green. It's a vibe. And that should do it. Hey, Trey. You messing up Daddy's car? It's supposed to stay clean, man. Ready for a ride? Got a little gift from the event. Hold on, let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh boy. So what an extremely cool and awesome event that was. I mean, again, I didn't expect them to invite me. You know, I submitted a picture and I gave a description of my brief ownership of my 911 Carrera 4S, and they accepted. And you know, as you can see from the showroom, it wasn't like there was a ton of cars on the inside that were accepted. So I was super stoked, super stoked. And for being inside, as you can see, I received that wonderful present from the dealership, something I would cherish and appreciate so deeply. This is the difference. It's the difference in owning any other car. There are plenty of very good cars out there, but when you want to talk about a culture behind Porsche, not just the 911, but the other models, the Boxster, 944, 912, any classic Porsche, any new Porsche, it's totally unique to any other car experience that you will enjoy. And I gotta say, what a great way to fix up your car, to see the progress, and to enjoy a Saturday. Okay guys, I hope you keep watching. Until next time, have a great one.